They said it was impossible to build here. Too steep, too dangerous, too wild. But they forgot one thing. I have AI on my side. Welcome to the future of construction. Our location is a 200-meter cliff above the Atlantic. Today, we're not using traditional wood or bricks. We're using smart carbon frames and reinforced glass. First, the AI calculates the foundation. The first challenge is the rock itself. Traditional drilling won't work here. We're using plasma-tipped anchors to fuse the foundation directly into the cliff. My AI drones are handling the heavy lifting. Every beam of this carbon steel skeleton is placed with sub-millimeter precision. In this environment, there is no room for error. If one bolt is loose, the whole villa goes into the ocean. But the system is perfect. The skeleton is ready. Now let's give it some walls. Now we're sealing the structure. This is not just glass. It's a smart thermal shield that generates energy. My drones are installing the sustainable cedar panels. Technology meeting nature in perfect harmony. We've reached the final stage of the exterior. From a cold metal frame to a living sanctuary on the edge of the abyss. Look at this view. This is why we build. Sustainable, strong, and beautiful. This is more than a shelter. It's a sanctuary. The second floor features a full 360-degree view of the Atlantic Ridge. No noise, no stress. Just nature and technology in perfect balance. Subscribe for more impossible projects.
Everything is pre-installed. Zero waste, maximum precision.
This is why we use AI, to reclaim our connection with the wild. This is just the beginning. The AI builder doesn't just build houses. We build dreams that were once thought impossible. So tell me, would you live on this cliff? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you at the next site.